Taking a look at our schematic, the top rear rail cannot easily be seen. If we look at the exploded view, we can see that it sits up inside all the way at the top towards the back of our project. This piece has several functions. Number one, it ensures that the two sides remain perfectly parallel to each other during the build process. Number two, this does give us something to adhere the back 1/4 inch panel to. And number three, when this bookshelf is installed in a home, this could serve as an anchor point to anchor the bookshelf to the wall, similar to what is shown on this cabinet. The measurement of our top rear rail is 3/4 of an inch thick by 2 inches wide by 22.5 inches long. And we do want to verify this measurement by measuring between the left and the right side at the bottom of our project. That should measure 22.5 inches. The board that I grabbed earlier in the project was about 5 inches wide. Because I only need one top rear rail piece that measures 22.5 inches long by 2 inches wide, I'm going to be left with additional material. Now, if I take a look at my parts list, I have a top front rail piece that is 2 inches wide by 20 inches long. So the remaining material, I should be able to get this other piece out of down the road, thus minimizing my waste.